Petitioner not showing to proceed with the matter. Dismiss for non-prosecution.
I am from Bhadrak from Bhatkal Court.
Pardon?
In virtual mode.
You are there in VC.
Yes, sir.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Argu.
It is fresh admission, sir, Your Honor. On point of fresh admission, I want an adjournment for 2 days. Because
Gentlemen.
2 days, 2
It has
days.
been listed.
Is a rejection of 34 and 35 of the
Huh?
rejection of application under section 34 and 35 of OCHPFL Act.
Then it has to be admitted only.
Again.
Then has he got any interim application?
No, entry application.
Nine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rejection each application.
For injunction there.
Sir,
The question of admission. Defects on defects, a lot of defects are there.
it's a defect. But inspector,
Or you have not filed certified copy of the impugned orders probably, yes. That urgent kar diyo, 1 week after. Defects may be removed in the meantime. Counsel on VC lekhiwa. Item number 2.
Item number 2, today I am filing the counter. It requires a full length hearing. I have given my reasonings.
Okay, then Mr. Rao, let it come 1 week after. Counter is filed in court by the state opposite parties, OP number 3.
Yes.
3, SS Rao, senior counsel. Kahin assistant kahan the apanga?
Misra.
Na kono?
A Misra. A Misra. Double A.
Lekhi. Assisted by so and so, 1 week time at least. Place the matter 1 week after the date. Any interim order continuing?
There is no interim.
Nine.
Rejoinder if free, I will file it in.
Yes, you will get a date.
Item number 3,
SC Hawk. Yes, item 3. Yes, it is for targeting non-appears karta, considering innocuous prayer involved herein. Competent authority is directed to dispose of the lease number proceeding, Khasmal lease number 122/13, pending before it at least within a period of 6 months, but however, in the involvement of the party likely to be affected and provided there is no lawful obstruction in proceeding in the same.
item 4,
Last proceeding the stand disposed. 4. None appears for the petitioner.
My lord, item 4, I am on VC, my lord.
Oh, you are in VC.
Item 4, I am on VC.
Or you are seeking for passing of annexure 3? Okay, pursuant to annexure 3, you have already submitted your response by annexure 4. Yes, where has he vanished? Okay, even though writ petition involves passing of annexure 3, this court since find annexure 3 is a notice on the petitioner by the Sarpanch, OP number so and so, considering petitioner has already his response to annexure 3 by annexure 5. Decision as appropriate on annexure 3 be taken after taking into consideration the response of the petitioner by annexure 5. With this observation, the writ petition stand disposed. Counsel appearing through VC kariba. Yes.
item 5,
Page 8, your lordship, have a glance, lord. Page 8, annexure 1. Order dated 13/12/22.
All right, similar matter.
Again. No reasoning. There is no reason assigned by the concerned Tahsildar.
Connected matter, my lord, appeal will lie. Similar also I have filed.
Yeah.
Item
Did both the matters same order?
No, my lord, first item remanded. First item, my lord, the cover matter I have filed. Say connected matter, my lord, appeal will lie. I have also filed the.
Okay,
Your
connected
lordship,
matter likhi diyo, sir. So Mahapatra makes a fair statement that involving the impugned action, that is statutory appeal. And thus he wants to withdraw the writ application in order to avail the appeal remedy. In the event the appeal is preferred within 2 weeks and shall be considered on its own merit without insisting on delay, if any. Yes.
Item 6, your lordship.
Item 6,
They have filed a counter, your lordship. In the counter, they have stated by the complaint of a person, they have stopped my pension on grounds that I have been receiving pension from.
First tell your case. What is your case?
I am claiming my Madhu Babu pension to be continued because it has been stopped from 2017, your lordship.
Right.
In the page 3 of their counter affidavit, they are saying that by the complaint of a person naming Bhatto Krishna Pradhan, they have stopped my pension.
Which para?
Paragraph number 8, your lordship.
Yes, please read.
The averments made in para 5 of the writ petition are not correct, hereby denied. It is humbly submitted that one complaint petition by dated 2/8/2017 was received from Bhatto Krishna Pradhan, son of Ramachandra Pradhan at Khandiyabandha, alleging therein that the petitioner is in receipt of widow pension at ₹1,000 per month from Sri Jagannath Temple Office, Puri, while at the same time availing social security pension under old age pension category under Madhu Babu pension yojana. Your lordship, I have a report from Jagannath Temple, your lordship.
Then you bring it on affidavit.
I will.
Bring it on affidavit.
Oh, obliged.
No throwing document in court.
Obliged. I will
Later.
by tomorrow.
If you want to respond to this,
Your lordship.
to make your case clear, please file a rejoinder.
Obliged. Obliged.
The counsel for the petitioner wants to respond to the averments made in para 8 of the counter affidavit in justifying the non-grant of Madhu Babu pension to the petitioner. Let the petitioner bring a response to the counter affidavit at least within a period of 2 weeks anyway.
Your lordship.
Within 2 weeks. Place the matter 2 weeks after. What a date, sir.
Obliged.
item 7,
Inaction of the opposite party.
Admission.
My lord.
Fresh admission.
item 8,
My lord, in item 8, I filed the representation to opposite party number 1 yesterday, but it has not come on record. My lord, I have filed a representation to opposite party number 1 yesterday, and the same was filed, but it has not come on record. So, if my
Is that civil dispute? What the police will do even?
no, my lord, my only case is that the petitioner and opposite party number 5 are father and son. The opposite party number 5.
Opposite party is a private party or not?
Okay.
So therefore, this is a private
No,
dispute.
my lord, it is a maintenance of senior citizen. They are
No, nothing can be done.
my lord, only representation to be
Sorry,
disposed of by
this is some disturbance to your house.
Yes, my lord.
So therefore, this is a private dispute.
My lord,
If you have lost a complaint on some criminal incident taking place, then that's a different issue.
my lord, I have also
But
filed.
no indulgence of High Court.
My lord, I have filed a representation to opposite party number 1 collector to oust the opposite party number 4 from my house as I am a senior citizen.
That's a criminal. Okay, all right.
my-
Assuming you are harassed criminally. You are harassed and a criminal proceeding is invited. Go file a complaint
No,
before
apart
the
from that,
appropriate court.
Lord, he has made a complaint before the inspector
He
in
has
charge.
already made a
A
complaint. to
complaint.
SP.
If it is not registered, he can file a CRLMP very well
my
for registration of the case.
lord, the opposite party
You
number.
can't understand. Sorry,
My lord,
I don't have jurisdiction.
my lord, only representation to
On the
opposite
one
party number 1
submission
which
and the
can be
document
disposed
at
of within
page
2
9
weeks.
and
My lord.
10. It appears there is
My lord,
some
opposite
dispute
party number 4 and 5 are his
between
son.
the petitioner and the private opposite party for which no writ will be entertainable. Civil writ will be entertainable. Petitioner is to find out
My-
other options
My lord, the-
Rejection of the writ application shall not stand on the way of the either the ISC or SP in undertaking appropriate exercise pursuant to the complaint of the petitioner by Danesh of 1 series.
my lord, only one. My lord, opposite,
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ବୁଝେଇ ପାରିବିନି ଆଜ୍ଞା। I am not holding a college here. You are a young counsel, you don't know the legal implications. Go on arguing. It's a high court. ଏଠି ଆମେ କଣ କ୍ଲାସ ଚଲେଇବୁ କି? ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ବୁଝେଇ ସାରିଲେଣି।
May I pardon to mention item 4, my lord? May I pardon to mention item 4 next week?
Item
4, my lord, due to internet, I was unable to.
item 4 there is some order. Non-appeals କରିଦେଇଛି କି? Order କରିଛି। Non-appeals ଟା କାଟିଦିଅ। All right, there is already order. Non-appearance is taken out.
My lord, oblige.
There is an order in your favor, don't worry.
My lord, oblige.
Yes.
My lord, oblige.
Item 9, VC ରେ ଲେଖିବା। Yes, item 9. Against mutation appeal, non-appeals କରିଦିଅ। Issue notice କରିବା। Requisites as directed to be filed by Friday. Failure of filing requisites by Friday, the matter will be dismissed for non-prosecution. For petitioner not showing interest. Yeah.
Item 10,
କଣ ହେଇଛି ଆଜି କାହିଁ ଆଜି ସବୁ ପଳେଇଲେ ପୁରୀ ନା କଣ?
ନା ତାଙ୍କ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ଗୁଡା ଦିନ ପଡିଯାଇଥିଲା ତ 12:30 ବେଳେ ନହେଲେ 2ଟା ବେଳେ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିକାଲି ବୋଧେ ସେମିତି ପାଡିଛନ୍ତି।
Representation and Subhanallah directed to be given a lawful disclosure by working out at least within a period 2 months, if necessary, providing 3 months, if necessary, providing opportunity of hearing to party likely to be affected.
item 11,
Non-appeals ରଖିବା। Page 11. Provided pleading complete. OP number so-and-so is directed to conclude the proceeding. Miscase 69 of 2019 arising out of RP 186 of 2016. Non-appeals.
item 12,
Non-appeals of the petitioner. There is no filing of certified copy of annexure 3. The consultation appeal, revision lies.
ହଁ
Besides, there also revision, statutory revision lies against the impugned order. Petitioner, if so advised, may prefer statutory revision, at least within a period of 3 weeks. With this observation, the writ petition stand disposed.
item 13,
May I please, your lordship? Petitioner beg to prefer this writ application for a direction to the opposite party number 1 to 5 to protect the life and liberty and property
Annexure
of
5 is pending.
my lord, my lord.
Okay, prayer quote करके annexure 5 on self-same issue pending. OP number so-and-so directed to give a lawful disposal, providing opportunity to, if any, likely to be affected by working it out at least within a period of 3 months from the date of communication of order along with copy of writ.
item 14,
May I
Yes,
please,
Mr. Misra.
may I please, your lordship? That matter where security deposit,
Just 1 minute. Is it for final disposal?
yes,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Election dispute?
yes, my lord.
Just wait for till I finish the fresh disposals. ହଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଦିନେ ଆସିବ
ନାଇଁ
ଟିକେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର ପାସପୋର୍ଟ
item 15,
15 my lord, RTK 413 2023 subject
yes press
to
admission
number 1 my lord due to direction be issued to admission and issue notice
15 ରେ ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ
petitioner ମୁଁ
ମାଇକ୍ ମଝିରେ କହିଲେ କିଛି ଶୁଭିବନି ନନ୍ APS ଲେଖିଦେବି
ନାଇଁ my lord ହଁ
ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ with for the petitioner
press admission
my lord
item 16,
Item 16, my lord, your lordship may grant me time till day after tomorrow for compliance of your lordship's order dated 15/5/2023, my lord. My lord, on 15/5/2023, your lordship directed me to consolidate the petition.
yes what you submit
I will file the in compliance to that your lordship's order. I will file affidavit. Your lordship may call this matter day after tomorrow or Monday, or as your lordship please.
why you may that's a remand order
Yes, my lord.
it is dispose ହେଇଯାଇଛି 85 ରେ
Yes, my lord.
so what is the cause of action now
Thereafter, a draft publication was made, but in contrary to the order passed in that consolidation case, my lord. Therefore, I submitted objection under Annex 2, my lord. That is,
so if your objection is pending consideration it will be given a lawful disposal
yes, your lordship may direct.
Mr. Ghosh
Again.
that answer 2 is pending
Again.
yes at the submission of Sri Dipti Ranjan Mahapatra pra
Again. Dear Mahapatra.
Dipti Ranjan Mahapatra and counsel reducing his prayers Sri Mahapatra submits there should be at least direction to the competent authority for considering Tahsildar Rampur the objection of the petitioner and giving a lawful disposal to the same. Okay, considering this limited submission, this court observe in the event any cause of action involving the issue there in Annexure 3 still survives. The Annexure 3 may be given a lawful disposal, but however, in the involvement of the petitioner and anybody likely to be affected, at least within a period of 3 months from the date of communication of order.
item 17,
BC record. ये सब पचारिबा हामी देखि आवश्यक yes 17
My lord, Annexure 3, I have challenged an order of eviction under Regulation 2/56 in respect of a transaction of 1979 covered by your lordship's order. I'm just giving a call.
why don't you submit objection
My lord, actually, my lord, your lordship says that in view of that Jami Ramesh case, the proceeding itself is incompetent because it is prior to 2000 amendment. I have given that order.
then you can bring that objection to the authority or there is a order
Yes, my lord.
okay there is a covered order
Ah, yeah.
all right
In fact, he has come up against the notice.
I am referred to a decision and
Again.
said there is no proceeding maintainable
Obliged.
yes 18
item 18,
May I please your lordship, the petitioner begs to prefer this writ application for a direction to the opposite party number 3 to comply with my lord annexure 1 my lord. The fact of the petitioner before my lord is that the house of the petitioner was away in the devastating fraud in the year 1982 my lord. They became the fraud victim. Thereafter they were also displaced my lord and they encroached this land. The Tahsildar also initiated an encroachment proceeding against the petitioner my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the Tahsildar by the annexure,
if it is a matter involving OPL Act
my lord.
then it has to go to the assigned bench matter involve OPL Act rest is to find out the appropriate assignment
item 19,
My lord,
କାମ କରିହବ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ just yes. Mr. Ghosh, there is some final order already there.
My lord, my
You
lord,
want implementation of this?
my lord, my lord.
Dispose କରିଦବା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Dear, file ଟା ଦିଅ। It's a writ application virtually seeking implementation of the order dated 21/7/2005. All these cases, same order,
My lord, my lord,
same date,
my lord,
but there is change in the case number.
my lord.
ହେଲା, case number change କରିବ ସବୁ। Finding innocuous prayer, this court in disposal of writ application observe in the event the order dated 21/7/2005 still operating and not worked out. Hello. And there is no stay order operating involving such orders by higher forum. There should be working out of such orders by the competent authority. Allow with this observation, the writ petition stand is for.
Oh, lord.
Item 19,
May please your lordship, VC.
19. Item 19, you are there,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
but it is in person.
Person,
Take out your band, take out your band. If you argue in person. You are arguing outside, therefore you don't know the procedure.
and then VC, Decana.
All right, argue.
May please your lordship. I prefer this writ petition to challenging the defective scrutiny and thereby the selection of the post of chief and deputy chief legal defense counsel in the DLSA Dhenkanali, your lordship. My lord, as per the notification number
This
1,
is a legal services authority.
22,
Some cause of action involving legal services authority. What is your challenge here?
sir, my lord, I challenge the petition, the advertised number 1, that annexure 1 in page number 20 in toto. That qualification.
Who is the appointing authority?
Appointing authority is Nalsan Salsa.
Who is the appointing authority here?
The scrutiny is made by the chairman DLSA, your lordship. I challenge the scrutiny first. The qualification of the chief legal aid defense counsel is in
It is appointment of defense counsel.
yes
yes. The challenging the qualification of chief legal defense counsel. The
What happened to annexure 7?
annexures.
What happened to annexure 7? You have raised the objection on self-same issue to the executive chairman.
Again, executive chairman Salsa, and the copy is with the grievance to the CJ.
All right. Dita copy ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦଉ ଆପଣ instruction ନିଅ।
ମାନେ କପି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ
Copy ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା କପି ଦେବେ
ତାର କ'ଣ କରିବା ଆକୁ
ନା ତାଙ୍କ ଠାରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି annexure 7 ଟା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
pending ଅଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା that is what is assessment.
Already they have appointed these persons.
They have appointed, that's right. If you take notice, then there is no purpose. Appointment already made.
Challenging on lordship, the qualification person, the
Let your objection be considered.
annexure.
Petition involve the following prayer. At the same time, this court observes petitioner has already raised objection on the self-same issue pending with the executive chairman SLSA Orissa, considering it to be a pending case with the competent authority. This court disposes the writ application requesting the executive chairman SLSA Orissa for looking to the grievance of the petitioner and giving a lawful disposal to the same. Request କରାହବ ଆଉ କ'ଣ କରାଯିବ ସେ ଏଠି senior judge within a reasonable period of time.
Item 20,
Let the petitioner serve the copy of the writ petition along with copy of order on the executive chairman, in the office of the executive chairman, at least within a period of 7 days of the order. Yes, 20.
item 20,
ସବୁ କଣ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଛି settlement ପାଇଁ ଅଛି. Not a matter assigned to this bench. There is already eviction order. Rest it to find out and list assignment and list it accordingly.
item 21,
21, my lord, I limited priority to dispose of the demarcation case which is pending before the Tahsildar, my lords.
Mic put down କରନ୍ତୁ.
Again, this is my limited prior, my lords. Wide annexure 2, my lords, page 15.
5 and 6, who are these parties?
Parties are, my lords, I mean, party Tahsildar, my lord.
Supuni.
OP number 3, my lords. Is it pending
5 to
before,
ISC.
my lords?
You seek cooperation of OP number 5 and 6
My lord.
in the matter of demarcation.
My
5 ela ISC. 6 ela this private party who is the probably appurtenant.
my lord.
ଆମେ କେନ୍ direction ଦବା?
No, my lords, it is pending
That's
before
the responsibility of the Tahsildar.
pending before the Tahsildar for 1 year, my lords.
Okay, tell demarcation proceeding pending.
Pending from 36 to
Case number kete? Yes.
752 and 753, my lords.
753 of 22.
My lords.
If pending directed to be disposed of at least within a period of 3 months, however, with opportunity to the appurtenants, by completing such exercise within a period of 10 weeks from the date of communication of order.
My lords.
item 22,
22, my lord, I mean,
item
pardon,
22,
my limited prayer is that direction may be given to the opposite party number 1 to dispose of the
These
CRP
RP
case.
cases, these have been already admitted.
No, my lord, that is not admitted since 2000
So fresh
20.
admission ପାଇଁ ଯିବ.
fresh admission page.
Okay. The batch case, all these cases same.
No, my lord. First case I am for the petitioner. Rest
Last
case,
case, fresh admission of the RP.
yes, my
All
lord. CRP, my lord.
CRP.
ଅଛି. Right.
Then second ala SRP.
ତାପରେ second ଟା
Second SRP.
Second,
SRP.
third, fourth.
ସେଇ fresh admission.
Yes.
ସବୁଡା fresh admission.
Last two items are different.
Last ଟା କଣ?
Last time mutation is pending.
ମାଇକ୍ ଆଗରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୋଟା ଆଡୁ କର.
Mutation is pending. Mutation case is pending.
Mutation case pending ହେଲା. Pending directed to be disposed of. Last ଟା mutation.
Last two items.
Okay, all right.
Right.
ମାଇକ୍ ଆଗରେ
Right.
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା. ଆମେ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଗୋଟେ କଲେ ଲେଖା ହେଲାଣି ସେଠି ଟା କଣ?
item 23,
fresh admission of revision petition.
Yes.
ଇଏ କାହିଁ ଆଉ ହଉଛି ମିଷ୍ଟର ପଣ୍ଡା?
ସେଗୁଡାକ
ସୁଧୁରୁନି ସିଷ୍ଟମ।
ସେ କଣ ହଉଛି ଯୋଉଟା ସବୁ ସିରିଏଲି କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରୁନି ଆଉ। ଯୋଉଟା ସବୁ ସିରିଏଲି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା ପ୍ରାୟ
ହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ୟୁ ଆଡଭାଇଜ ଦି ଅଥରିଟି ଯୋଉଦିନ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ସେଦିନ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ଆଡମିସନ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ।
ସେ ସେଇଟା ନ କରି ସେ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ
ସୁପ୍ରିମ
ସିରିଏଲ
କୋର୍ଟ ଯେମିତି କରୁଛି ଆପଣ ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ୱିକ୍ ପରେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Item 24.
ये peculiar prayer करते नॉन अपियर्स को डिसमिस कर रेस्टोर कर देखिला
Item 25.
demarcation case ala within 3 months.
Item 26.
May I please, Your Worship? My lord, I have filed this application for a direction to OP number 2 for recording my name in the Hall RR, my lord, in view of the judgment passed by this honorable
What
court.
was the direction in the read petition?
My lord,
What was the direction in the earlier read petition?
my lord,
Directing OP number 2 to accept the proposed miscase
my lord,
for recording of the names of the petitioner within a stipulated period as specified by the read petition so and so.
my lord,
So where is that order?
my lord, that is para 10 of my brief.
Para
my lord.
10.
Yes,
Para 10 page.
page 7, my lord. Page 7. And
So
your
there is
lord,
already direction. How can a
My-
second read petition entertainable?
not second, my lord. In view of the direction, I have filed my miscase before the OP number 2. He is not accepting. This is a general order.
It is not
he-
accepting.
No, my lord. That is annexure 9.
9.
Yes,
Annexure 9.
my lord.
Petitioner alleges to the writ application that following specific direction of this court in WPC 1608 of 14 disposed of on when? Disposed of on 13/9/17.
No, my lord.
ଆପଣ ଯାଇକିରି
What?
6 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଦରଖାସ୍ତ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ସେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କେମିତି କରିବ? That matter was disposed of in 17. Come to annexure 9 when you are filing.
No, my lord. Annexure 9.
ଛଅ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା କଣ କରୁଥିଲେ?
39, my lord. Page 39.
ହଁ 39 କୋଉ ମସିହାରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
This year, my lord. Miscase number, my lord. So and
23.
so
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
2020.
କେବେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଥିଲେ?
High Court, my lord, 2023, 2/1/2023.
23.
My lord, 1608 of 2014 in batch of cases.
ଏ
this honor.
1608 ଟା କଣ 23 ରେ dispose ହେଇଛି?
Yes, yes, my lord. 1608 of
Where is that order?
2020.
You have quoted but you have not given the date of disposal.
My lord, that is
Order copy ଦେଖେଇଲେ?
my lord.
A division bench order ki?
Yes, yes, my lord. That
Chief
is
Justice
batch
ka?
of cases it has been decided.
Chief Justice ka
Yes.
order.
That Narottama Ratha.
No, no.
Yes, yes. Oh, ତାହେଲେ okay, disposed of on এটা ভুল ডেট হচ্ছে disposed of on କେତେ ତାରିଖରେ dispose ହେଲା?
2/1/2023.
21/02/01/2023 ହେଲା. Petitioner submitted appropriate application by annexure 9. However, ASO Rental Colony Jobra Settlement Office Kotak is declining to receive the same. It's an unfortunate state. In declining such application in spite of division bench court direction, while expressing its anxiety in the manner of the refusal by the competent authority, this court, in disposing the writ application, permit the petitioner to retender the application by annexure 9 before the OP number
OP number 2, my lord.
2, at least within a period of 7 working days. In such event, the same shall be accepted by OP number 2 and given a and will give lawful disposal to such application. ଫେରେଇ ଦିଅ।
Oblige me.
Means within a period of 4 months.
Item 27. Item 27.
May I please, your lords? Annexure 3 is under challenge, my lord. My case is that while consider the green card case number 2000, they taken into consider the status of the present prisoner
Annexure
at
3
present.
is the order pursuant to High Court direction.
My lord.
Yes.
It is rejected.
My lord.
Okay, then take notice. You should notice what or requisites as approved
My,
by Friday.
my lord, I serve all the state government.
By way of देखियो जदि service of copy थु extra copies देवे.
Item 28 pass over.
28 of Passover नहीं.
Passover.
Friday.
Right.
इठी Passover हुए नहीं प्राय.
Item 29.
Already
Item
disposal.
29, already disposal.
Targeting.
Obliged.
Item 30.
Just 1 minute.
Item 30,
Yes,
may I please,
30.
Lordship?
Again.
Lordship, the petitioner is before your Lordship challenging the order of the junior civil judge, rejecting my application petition for
Supuni.
counting of votes. Lordship, the petitioner is before.
You have lost in both forum.
Yes, my lord. Your Lordship may kindly peruse.
Okay, election dispute.
Yes, my
Has
lord.
to be admitted only. Admit, call for LCR in so and so.
Deeply obliged.
Notice for requisites for issuing notice to private opposite party by Friday. Extra copy be served on State Council.
Deeply obliged.
Also by Friday.
Item 31.
May please, your lordships. My representation under Annexure 4 is pending, your lordships, on the Orissa State Housing Board. And the Orissa State Housing Board has a resolution that the strips behind the vacant land strips behind the allotted plots would be.
Where is my order? There is an order covering all such cases.
I'm not.
Wherever adjacent plots are lying vacant, to the front or to the back side.
Lordships.
I had already given direction to GA as well as Housing Board to make an inventory, find out if it is convenient to the owner behind the plot. It has to be allotted to him at the cost.
Yes, your lordships.
Judgment dekhandu. Friday anandu. It is already covered. I have already given a judgment on this.
I'll get it.
Maybe 6 months back.
I'll get it. It's my mistake. Sorry.
All urban. I have given a direction to all urban areas. अरे आपनको आगे गोटे 15 फुट जगह अच्छी सेटा आपनको न देकी सी का गोटे दे देबे सी सीटू सी नुइसेंस करिवो सेठी होटल टे आरंभ करिवो
Friday.
Come day after tomorrow along with that order.
Yes, sir.
Item 32.
Day after tomorrow.
May I please, your lordship? Annexure 6, my lord, running page 45, your lordships kindly peruse order dated 12/2023.
Annexure 6 is applicable.
Yes, my lord, your lordships passed order under Annexure 7 because the opportunity has not given. The RI submitted the record before the additional Tahsildar, and on that date he dropped the proceeding.
Then it is applicable again.
But the opportunity not been
There is
afforded.
statutory appeal achi. The grounds whatever raised here are also available.
Yes,
not being considered. ମୁଁ ଆଜି entertain କରିଦେବି 3 ମାସ ପରେ other judge will hold you. Appeal lies. appeal exhaust କରିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ. Impugned order since applicable, learned counsel for the petitioner wants to withdraw the writ application to prefer appeal. This court in the disposal of the writ application observe in the event appeal is undertaken within 2 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
Along with the undertaking the grounds raised herein, the appeal shall be heard on its and decided on its own merit however providing opportunity to party likely to be affected.
Regarding my limitation.
Certified copy of the impugned order annexure 6 be returned. Next. कौन कहूतले कौन आ कहूतले
Regarding limitation, my lord. Limitation points.
कहली पूरा 2 weeks रे जदी फाइल करिवे मेरिट डिसाइड हबो आउरी पुनी दासे जाइतले फांडी को कहउछन हाई कोर्ट तो कहला 2 week हेले मेरिट डिसाइड हबो
Sorry.
yes next
Item 33.
33, my lord, here, rejection of an application for amendment of
Sabura
a,
matter 33 yes Mr. Mahanti
rejection of a prayer for amendment of the election petition.
you have not applied for senior advocate
No, no, no.
nine
No.
yes next
Here, the rejection of a prayer for amendment of the election petition law. Only
rejection of amendment
one account number was
by election petitioner or the
petitioner. Again, mu karichi bhul gala bole. So what account number was a mistake because there was an allegation that a loan account was
so
still
you are delaying only your petition
कौन कराए?
notice in the meantime there may be
Only
there shall be stay of the
OP number 1 only.
ଆମେ କରିଦବୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତା ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଯୋଉଟା ତାକୁ କପି ଦିଆ ହଉଛି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ ରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନୋଟିସ ଯିବ others are not contested have you made them pro forma
Yes, only one is contesting, only OP
ତାହେଲେ
number
one
1.
କୁ ଖାଲି
That's it.
these are as good as civil proceeding
That
unless one is pro forma notice has to go on everybody
only one will be sufficient.
okay one कर दे proceeding state further proceeding state
Petitioner और कौन करिए? जानी
ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବା ତ ଏ ଭିତରେ ତ କଣ ମୁଁ ପେପର ରେ ଦେଖୁଛି ପ୍ରାୟ 4 ଦିନରେ ଥରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ସରପଞ୍ଚ ମରୁଛନ୍ତି କିଏ ଗାଡି ଧକ୍କାରେ ମଲା କିଏ କାଉ ଛୁରୀ ମାରିଦେଲା ଏଇଆ ହଉଛି ତାପରେ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଆସିଗଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୌସମ ଟା ଆସିଯିବ ଗୁଡା ଡିଆଁ ଡିଁ କରିବେ ଆଉ ହବ ଚାଲିବ ନ ଚାଲିବ ଦେଖିବ
अवश्य 22 ର ଟିକେ ट्रायल नौछु.
yes next
Item 34.
non-applicable dismissal for non-prosecution.
Item 35.
May I please your lordship?
କଣ ହେଇଛି ବାରରେ ଆଜି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରାଇକ୍ ଫାଇକ୍ କିଛି ଅଛି କି
ନାଇଁ ତ
7ଟା ଖଣ୍ଡେ ନନ୍ ଆପିୟର୍ସ ହେଲାଣି
ସେ କଣ ସମସ୍ତେ ଭାବି
ଆଉଡା ଦେଖିବାକୁ
ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତି ତ ଆଗେ ଡିଭିଜନ ବେଞ୍ଚ ହବ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ହେବେ
ହେଡ୍ ନୋଟ୍ କେହି ଦେଖୁନା
ହେଡ୍ ନେଟ୍ କୋଡ୍ ଦେଖି ନାହିଁ 10:30 ସେଇଟା ହିଁ
35
ହଁ 35 ରେ in this case my lord the petitioner challenges the inaction of the opposite parties in not considering the representation of the petitioner whereas it had been the petitioner is the returning candidate.
Asking election case.
No, why I am saying so, my lord? The election or the petitioner is the returning candidate. The opposite party filed the challenging that election under section 30 and 31 of the act and filed the election case. Filed the election case in his evidence, he has stated he has spent 10 to 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs in the election procedure, whereas there is a restriction to spend 2 lakhs of rupees in election for surplus, my lord. In that, when the petitioner got that info in his evidence affidavit that he has spent so much money, he immediately wrote by annexure 6 to the BDO, who is the election officer, that
why such a contingency is available with the election tribunal. Why High Court will interfere at this?
Because when the petitioner filed his representations before the election officer, in a letter stated that the election election petitioner.
You bring order 7 rule 11. You bring order 7 rule 11 that this is no more maintainable.
After receiving the petition from the opposite party, the present petitioner, he is sitting tight over the matter, doing nothing, my lord.
Then that can be directed to
on that basis, as per the restriction imposed by the election notification, my lord, the petitioner election petitioner petition has to be rejected, my lord.
So it is whose responsibility now? You are to first, because this is a regular proceeding.
Yes, my lord.
So duty first comes on the election tribunal to consider such aspect.
I have given much handle to them. He is not considering nothing.
Where is
left.
that application?
Application, my lord, your lordship may see annexure 6, my lord,
Page?
page 38, my lord. I have written to the block development officer, who is the election officer.
No, this is not in election petition.
He is the election officer. I have stated.
Oh, election officer, he is already functions officer. He has no role now.
He is made party in the election. He
is made party because then he will be continuing as election officer.
Election officer, he is the election officer and he is the election petition, my lord. He has filed the.
There is already an election petition or not?
Yes, my lord.
Once election petition is there, it is the authority to decide, not the election officer.
This observation, I will file a petition.
Why you have not been advised properly? Election petition is already entertained. There is already evidence coming.
Yes, my lord.
At
And
that probably have you got this to the notice of the election tribunal?
Yes, my lord.
Where is your written statement?
Written statement on his written. I have filed written statement. After that, his evidence has come. In his evidence, he has stated, I have filed.
Then you have to amend or on the basis of evidence, you may put up an application, sir. Election petition no further maintainable. That. Why are you rushing to High Court? Withdraw Karandu. Petitioner wants to withdraw the writ application in order to pursue his remedy involved herein before the election tribunal itself. In the event petitioner moves such application before the election tribunal, the Civil Judge Junior Division, Khadiyar, is directed to consider such application and give his verdict on the continuity of the election petition any further or not, prior to further proceeding in the election dispute. Done.
Item 36.
May I please, your lordship? If the petitioner is your lordship, is challenging the inaction of the opposite party in continuing a demarcation proceeding, which was earlier decided, and also a suit is pending for the self-same land.
Then go and file your objection.
I have filed that objection.
Attention on that.
I have filed objection under annexure 4, your lordships.
4.
Yeah. But say objection is lekhina and the particular.
4 page lekhina jadi kon hobo sete labho kon?
Say just lekhichandi that may be dropped.
Semti kon hobo?
I will file.
You have a civil case on the same land.
Again.
Then you have to bring it to the notice of the authority.
And civil case and also prior demarcation case. That
bring
is,
it to the notice of the authority.
that was dropped because of the pendency of the civil suit.
Anand, if you file such objection, then he will first take decision on that.
Your lordship,
Thereafter, he will move in the demarcation if necessary. If necessary.
Your lordship may direct as such, I will file fresh objection so that.
Yes, petitioner challenges the demarcation proceeding involved herein on the pretext. Firstly, there was earlier demarcation exercise undertaken involving self-same land. Further, there is also a civil suit pending on the involvement of same land. This court perused the objection of the petitioner herein in the demarcation proceeding, but doesn't find any such specific averment. In this circumstance, while finding the writ petition not entertainable at this stage, this court observed in the event the demarcation case 148 by 149 by 150 of 22 are still pending. And in the event petitioner brings such objection, the competent authorities shall do well in taking decision on such application to continue with the demarcation proceeding any further, if any. And if contingency arises, may proceed in the demarcation case. Only after such decision.
Your lordships.
Let an objection to the above effect be brought before the competent authority within a period of 1 week of the date of order.
May I pray to stay the demarcation because till then let the demarcation.
Till then, can you not file an application? I have been permitted. Kali jai file karandu. Kali jodi khola achi. Nai jodi nai pardina file karibe.
I will file.
Obliged. Next.
Item 37.
My lord. After final degree in civil suit, the petitioner submitted mutation application before the opposite party number 2, but the opposite party number 2 not accept my mutation application for correction of record of right.
Withdrawal of what application?
Mutation application, my lord.
Mutation application.
My lord.
That is not being withdrawn. She accept Karuni
Not
withdrawal application. Where is your withdrawal application?
Annexure 4, my lord.
Page
37.
Page 37.
37, my lord. It's a mutation application.
This is mutation application.
Mutation application, not accepted by the opposite party number 2.
It is not being received by the OP
Received by
number.
the opposite party number 2.
It is based on a civil court decree.
Civil court decree, my lord.
The petitioner through the writ
Similar matter, my lord, dispose of.
His application under annexure 4 for mutation purpose based on a civil court decree is not being accepted by OP4.
OP2, my lord.
OP2 is a surprise action appears to be undertaken by the OP2. This court in the disposal of writ application observe in the event petitioner retender such application, OP2 shall entertain such application and give a lawful disposal to the same. And in the involvement of the party likely to be affected. All these applications same?
Same, my lord.
All like.
Item 38.
Read, my lord, on behalf of Mr. S.K. Das. Mr. S.K. Das, my lord, I pray for one passover. Mr. Das is
My lord,
also.
sir.
My lord,
My lord, sir, I appear through the virtual windows. My lord, in this case,
You
my lord,
appear
I
on
appear.
VC and he is there, you have to.
Yes, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Dayanand.
You are ready?
No, my lord. So we will
Want
file a
some time?
counter. Yes, my lord.
Instruction, lordship.
Tuesday, Asu.
If lordship may kindly permit me to know, in this case, I appear for the opposite partner 4. My name may be reflected in the cause list, my lord.
Okay, okay. Because there is request by, on behalf of Sri Dayanand Mahapatra appearing for OP number 2 for some more time to obtain instruction. List the matter on Thursday next. Thursday, Wednesday next.
My lord.
In the next listing, there should be showing of name of Mr. Sangram Das appearing for the vigilance department.
For the opposite partner 4.
OP number 4. Vigilance department, OP number 4. Adi appear kursun lekhi dabo. Hala? Yes.
Item 39.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, petitioner challenge the action of the opposite party 3, Tahsildar Simoria, without considering the objection filed the petition of.
You want quashing of the entire proceeding?
My lord.
You want quashing of the proceeding? Why?
Illegal civil suit is pending, my lord. Status quo also there.
Proceeding is still pending.
My lord.
Or there is final adjudication.
Yes, my lord.
Final adjudication.
No, pending and status is there.
Where is that proceeding?
Senior division, Suro, civil judge. 9, page 9, annex 1. An objection is annex 2.
You raise such objection in the proceeding, he will consider. Why High Court will set aside here.
In that zone, Tahsildar is not part, personal intense.
Mic ticket down karo.
No, the civil suit, Tahsildar is not in party.
Huh?
Tahsildar is not party in the civil suit, my lord. After that, Tahsildar intentionally converts on the land in the suit land to agricultural to homestead land. So, I file objection and annex 2. Sir, file I.
This is RP. What happened to civil proceeding?
Is pending, my lord. Status quo. Page 16 last.
Avani Janto Apunga, I am giving you opportunity. You raise your objection on the maintainability of the proceeding.
In the meantime, my lord, Tahsildar speedily convert the land, the dispute suit land.
Pardon?
My lord, in the meantime, Tahsildar speedily conversion the land, so disputed land to non-agricultural to homestead land, so that I come.
That is conversion of the proceeding.
Tahsildar କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା କି
Okay, right. That's a 8A proceeding. If conversion is permissible, he may convert.
Yes.
ଆପଣ କରିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସିନିୟର କିଏ? ନା ୟୁ ଆର୍ ସିନିୟର? ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ସିଭିଲ ସୁଟ୍ କୋର୍ଟ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ କୁ ସେଥିରେ ଅଛି ତହସିଲଦାର
ସେଇ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ନେଇକିରି ହେଇଯାଇଛି କନଭର୍ସନ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ।
ହଁ ସେ
ସେଟା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ନା ସରିଲାଣି?
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି।
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି। ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ଯେ ସିଭିଲ ସୁଟ୍ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ତେଣୁ ଏ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ଟାକୁ ଷ୍ଟଲ କରାଯାଉ।
ହଁ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଦେଇ ପେଜ 17 annex 2
ପେଜ 17 ରେ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ତହସିଲଦାର ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଓକେ ଆପଣ ସିଓର ସେ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ଟା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
All right, I am giving direction. Let him take a lawful decision on this. If a proceeding is already pending, then conversion କରିଦେବେ she said further complications ହେଇଯିବ। Okay, counsel for the petitioner advancing her submission on the entertainability of a section 8A proceeding involving the land already involved in a civil suit. Alleges civil suit CS 756/21 and CS 1456 of 1456/647 of 2015 submits. Once section 8A proceeding is entertained and disposed, there will be further complications in the civil proceedings. Bringing to the notice of the court through the objection of the petitioner at Annexure 2, it is contended before finalization of the conversion proceeding, competent authorities should consider the objection of the petitioner pending before it on the entertainability of the section 8A proceeding. This court find petitioner as a case to satisfy the competent authority. Stop finding tendency of an objection in this section 8A proceeding by the petitioner through Annexure 2. This court direct the competent authority undertaking section 8A of OLR exercise to first take a decision on the objection of the petitioner on entertainability of the section 8A proceeding. And if the section 8A proceeding survives, to proceed in the matter. But in the involvement of the party likely to be affected. Till such a decision is taken on Annexure 2, there shall be stay of section 8A proceeding, if any.
God bless you.
घरे रिहर्सल करंतु आउटसाइड कोर्ट आसीबे तांक पारे आर्गुमेंट केम करिवे
Item 40.
My lord, in this case, my lord, kindly glance at Annexure 1. Annexure 1 is the order of this
mutation case targeted. OP number?
OP number 1, my lord.
1.
Only one opposite person.
Item 41.
May please by months Tahsildar Kottak to
May please by
4 months time though.
Yes. May please, my lord. Item 41.
41. Yes, Mr. Misra.
I am only seeking
targeting.
For targeting of the case.
Targeting is a very costly affair.
Unlike other cases, my lord, here
and these are cases to be conducted by your juniors.
My lord, why I am he can conduct, my lord. Why I am there before your lordship, my lord? Because I want a shorter, unlike other cases, I want a shorter period to be fixed. Because
Subuni,
I want a shorter period to be fixed for disposal, my lord. Because reason is the ROR which I have sought to be corrected in my RP case, that is being used as against me in a SLSC proceeding, my lords, state level scrutiny committee.
That's right, but it's a decision is to be taken by the competent authority.
Yes, this decision is to be taken.
Target kar dochi.
Target a shorter time, so as short as possible, my lord. Can I say SLSC to bahut jaldi?
3 months time.
1 month, my lord.
1 month re notice heଇ ଯାଇଛି. Private party na
आगे notice ହେଇ ଯାଇଛି, तहसीलदार मधर report submit कर साइछन सब होई.
Notice already
से भूल आरोट ऊपर बेस करके मत SLSC proceeding रे
the RP 32 of 22 as submitted by the Mr. and Counsel for Petition. This court direct the competent authority to conclude the proceeding. RP so and so at least within 6 weeks. 6 weeks. But these are cases to be conducted by your juniors.
This is shorter period.
It cannot be gone into at this stage.
The connected roads on your question.
All right, 42.
Item 42.
It is non-acceptance of the
My lord.
same order na co case out
Naratam Rath.
Comfort matter.
item kete
সেটা হচ্ছে আইটেম
another council was doing या पूर्वରୁ out matter होतला division bench रे order रे आपण application दउचंदी is not receiving.
My lord, division bench order होची
21
नरोत्तम रथ.
Division bench order ପରେ they are filing application for
26.
Joint settlement of
26
is not receiving.
item 26 26
26. Yes, ma'am. I was there.
26.
26.
Yes.
My lord,
Same. 43 also same.
43 is same.
43,
42.
46,
42, 43.
42, 43.
My lord.
Dita tha?
Item 44.
I plead your lordship. The petitioner's purchased area is 96 decimals, which has been reduced to in the map to 82 decimals. That is 14 decimals has been reduced. When it was came to the knowledge, when the adjacent plot holder opposite party number 3 filed demarcation case and
Private party thibe
private party ଅଛନ୍ତି.
ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ notice ନେବେ ତାପରେ ଯାହା order ହବ.
Accordingly, I have filed a OSS case before Board of Revenue.
So therefore you want its disposal of the OSS case.
The OSS case
And
until
the
then
demarcation it should not be given effect at least till then.
Yes.
Because ultimately that order may be.
her area has also been reduced. Her area, the opposite pattern of 3G area has also been reduced. He has purchased a 91.
That's right. That's right. But once private party is there.
Yes.
Can the writ be disposed?
Yes. Your lordship, as your lordship, please help me till then.
Notice kar diya status quo in respect of the disputed land as on date.
Yes.
Matter to be listed immediately after service of notice on the private opposite party.
Also obliged.
Next.
Item 45.
45 my lord. The petitioner is a servant my lord. The petitioner filed this case for shifting of Mahasabha Kendra.
Annexure 4 pending.
Annexure 4 is not pending. Annexure 3, I have filed the reply, my lord. Annexure 3 page.
Annexure 4 ଟା pending ଅଛି କି? Sorry, ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଚିଠି request କରିଛନ୍ତି?
Annexure 3, my lord, page 9. Reply that.
Okay, then annexure 4 is 3 and 4 are to be worked out.
Yes.
Only
You worked
the
out.
letter.
Petition involved following prayer. There has been some development on the issue involved in through annexure 3 and 4. Competent authority is directed to resolve the issue involving and raise through annexure 3 and 4 by working out at least within a period of 6 weeks from the date of communication of order, free copy of order.
Only annexure 3, my lord. Annexure 4 is a letter given only.
There is a development. They said look into the aspect and shift it. So I have directed to give a final shape to the development through annexure 3 and 4.
Well,
Yes, next.
Item 46.
Unnecessary one is the reprehension regarding unauthorized encroachment of village road, my lord.
Annexure 1 is pending.
My lord, before the opposite part number 3, my lord.
Annexure 1 or annexure 2?
Annexure 1 or 2, which
Two,
will be
two.
considered? 1.
2.
One
Tahsildar OP
OP3, my lord.
3. Annexure 1 directed by OP to OP3. Hala. 3 copy kar do to.
Item 47.
May I please, let's say, only to target the OSS case, Your Lordship, that is pending before additional
Early
commission.
disposal target 4 weeks, 4 months.
That is pending before additional commissioner revisional code.
OP
Bhubaneswar.
number?
OP number 1 is the that is transferred, that is filed
Okay,
before
pending
member
before
additional commissioner revisional code Bhubaneswar.
Yakila. Hala. 4 months.
Obliged.
Both matters same.
Yes, yes,
They take a same authority.
same authority.
You have not made that party, that authority as a party.
And no else because this was filed before
All right.
member.
Item 48.
May I please?
Mutation
My
appeal
lord,
targeted.
On behalf of Mr. K. Guru, I may be
Mutation
permitted.
appeal targeted to be
My lord,
disposed of
it
within
is
3
pending,
months.
it is pending before the sub-collector Sambalpur because of non-supply for LCR, my lord, by the Tahsildar Sambalpur.
Order sheet deychandi.
My lord, your lordship kindly have a glance last page, page 15. And there, before that, it is
Page 18.
Yes, page 15,
15.
my lord. Several reminders has been.
Surprised to find that appeal at the instance of the petitioner is pending before Sub-Collector Sadar Sambalpur only for want of LCR and PWC. This stage of the matter appears to be appearing in a number of dates earlier also. Considering there is unnecessary delay in disposal of the mutation appeal 61 of 2022, Sub-Collector Sadar OP number so is directed to ensure receipt of LCR and PWC within a period of 1 month in the maximum and dispose the appeal in the involvement of parties at least within a period of 3 months.
My lord, I beg pardon, I have made Tahsildar a party as OP2, but sub-collector has not been made.
Sub-Collector को ensure करिया पे कहली ता मुंडा बता हबो आपण काय मुंडा बता को.
My lord. Obliged, my lord.
Item 49.
May I please, Your Lordship? The petitioner applied for the
Yes,
demarcation.
demarcation proceeding is targeted to be disposed of within 10 weeks, but however providing opportunity to applicants.
Item 50.
May please, Lordship. On behalf of Mr. Bosman, Passover is just coming. One Passover is coming.
Passover 9. Friday.
Item 51.
May I please, Lordship? Well, the petitioner has approached this honorable court. Lordship, very shocking efforts, Lordship, since last election, Lordship, date of assumption of office.
Complain करनांती GP secretary को, principal secretary
No, Lordship, I should not make this statement. The officers are working like the party members, Lordship. Lordship, can see if I am not in BJP.
That is the allegation also to the central government.
But Lordship, here, Lordship,
now this is controlled mostly.
By oath, Lordship, can see we have come before
Controlled
Lordship.
mostly. कौन करा जीवो?
Lordship, can you see the conduct of this video and J?
Serious allegation. 5T को पक्ष कर दे लगी.
5T to get some because who is GG, Lordship? He is not a
You
constitutional
sought
body.
2 copies. You take instruction. Why this bizarre affair? Don't invite a writ of mandamus.
Yes, yes. I will take it.
दियंतु दीटा कॉपी दियंतु 2 weeks पर आसीबो.
But what my Lordship, kindly see my miscase. That is very important. The J is not measuring, video is not cooperating. In the miscase,
allow कर दे पारिबी की.
मैं मुझको सर miscase
It's an allegation stage.
miscase order हो. Lordship, from the day one, Lordship, kindly consider one aspect. Date of assumption of office, I have not worked a single part. Enter, Lordship, kind of duty of the Gram Panchayat. Energy funds, electricity, supply of electricity, supply of drinking water, construction of a road, and construction of every development has been installed. Not a single pie I have been invested. Because if I condition, if I not join in BJD.
You don't belong to BJD.
No, I'm an independent candidate. I'm a retired teacher, Lordship. That's why that is the whole problem. The J is say, BDO is saying you join BJD and MLA is saying, Lordship, there will be 10 members of body, 6 members will from BJD and 4 members of yours.
The submission of Sri Dalai and Sri Ponda appearing for respective parties.
Both prayer are same.
Through the pleading and the submission, this court find there has been serious allegation of not allowing the elected body, statutorily elected body, to have his functions independently, and there is serious allegation of repeated official interruptions and overpowering. Considering allegation to be serious in the functioning of the statutorily elected body, this court, while directing service of 5 extra copies, 7 extra copies to the 5 extra copies to the State Council. This court also direct issuing notice to the parties in person appearing from OP number 6 to 9. Let requisites be filed on notice to OP number 6 to 9 by Friday, 8 or 8. Extra copies be served on State Council by of notice on OP number 1 to 5. Miscase and notice as above. This court, though find the repetition involves serious allegation, but doesn't find there should be any direction or writ of mandamus from this court ensuring discharge of public functions by the statutorily elected bodies. Hope and trust. Till the final adjudication of the matter, there is no interference in the discharge of the duty of the functionaries, the petitioner involved herein.
But one line submission हो जेटा measurement न कल किसी का जेटा को लर्सी उठा
आज्ञा जेतिकी indication देइची सेतिकी इधरे जान
then लर्सी कल fixed date so that
sufficient कहली there should not be a situation inviting such an order.
लर्सी fix लर्सी कल fix
Copy of the order.
Copy of order.
fix date लर्सी कल date may fixed so that matter can taken up.
Yes, counter if any notice टा जाउचे ना तेणु
Special
message
filed
by state authorities OP number 5 within 3 weeks. Parties noticed.
Special message
6 to 9 noticed. To file counter within 1 week of the service of notice. Place this matter 8 weeks after date.
Lordship special message notice नहीं जी lordship.
No, see 4 weeks to जनतेले जीवो ये
special message at least 4 weeks जो
7th week रे करो.
Special message नहीं lordship. Special message notice नहीं जाऊँ जी.
नहीं special message.
ये पाखरे सो कटक
যথেষ্ট indication है कि आगे ये केस notice जीवो माने it's a far-reaching implication.
Lordship, grateful lordship.
And you know the development yesterday all TVs.
Lordship, grateful.
So therefore. से आदि सब सजाड़ी हिसारी बनी देखो मैं
मतलब आइटम नंबर 50 टा मु आसुस 50 टा
कौन करी मु आपन को डिस्क्रिमिनेट अन्य लोग की लो जो आपके सब
आसी गले ने 51 रे अछन मु 50
देखिया मु सॉरी जाए तापर देखिया
आ जाए
सॉरी जाए आई एम टू राइज अर्ली दैट्स व्हाई आई एम फिनिशिंग द बोर्ड
दौड़ी आसु 51 हे गला
आ तांको कहलेनी करिया पे
एटा टिके डिफिकल्ट
आपन सांग साथी मन तो सीनियर वकील हेलानी
आगे मु आगे खुशी रे अछि आगे
हाँ आपण बर्तमान खोजिबे मौका हो सी सीनियर हे गले ब्रीफ उडा का छाडे जाई परिबनी
नाय आगे सब जिबा आपण
your lordship
52
yes
contempt second contempt आउटे मासो 3 सप्ताह समय दबा 3 सप्ताह समय दबा
म्यूटेशन टेस्ट आपण स्पेसिफिकली
3 सप्ताह समय as a matter of last failure of which there shall be initiation of suo motu contempt
already तो लिखिथिले आपण प्रथम लेखा है जो failure within the period of 7 days thereafter
सुबुनि सुबुनि मुहटा तळु करदेले किछि सुबिला
if failure of the
पुणी
if failure in compliance this court direction will be amounting to deliberate violation
आगुन हेतिला ऑर्डर
आज्ञा
फास्ट कंटेम्प्ट रे से ऑर्डर हेतिला
आज्ञा
नाम
ହେଇଥିଲା ବା 65 पेज 19
ताले नोटिस इशू कर दियो
पर्सनल अफेंस तो
और नोटिस नहीं जान
पर्सनल अफेंस नतले से अतिस परिजन
नोटिस जाओ आको फोकस दियंतु न आपण रिजल्ट चाहंतु ना लोकटा इथि आसीओ छिडा बक चाहंतु इस म्यूटेशन केस पेंडिंग तो रिजल्ट आसीबो काई व्यस्त होछन नोटिस टा गले रिजल्ट हे जिवो हां क्लाइंट को हेल्प करंतु ताको इठी डकई देबे सेडे से रिजेक्ट कर दो आपनकर बेनिफिट हो पर्सनली तार किछ बेनिफिट हो
Item 53.
My please. This is fast contempt, my lord.
फास्ट कंटेम्प्ट
Well, item 53,
yes
here my lord, he made party Tahsildar Bheden, but it is a case of Otavira.
भूल पाठी कर दै छथि की देखंतु ऑर्डर रे देखंतु किए पक्ष से जो रिट पिटिशन रे किए पक्ष थिले कॉपी नंबर 4 किए इतला
भेडेन
तहसीलदार भेडेन
सेटा Otavira सेटा Bheden नहीं से खाली तहसीलदार कहले एटा हम केस नु
किंतु भेडेन ऊपर तो जीव सेटिरे जदि भेडेन अछि हमें Otavira को करि परिबेनी कंटेम्प्ट
सेटा से करिया कथा अमेंडमेंट करिया कथा सेटा
से नियंतु तांकर भेडेन करछन हमें कोन करि परिबो से तो करेक्शन पे रिट रे आसु नांदी ना
आज्ञा
नियंतु आपण तारी ऊपर नियंतु जदि केही नाहती आपण कॉन्सिक्वेंशियल एप्लीकेशन देबे हला बुझंतु पार्टी टू देयर मे बी कॉम्प्लिकेशन फास्ट कंटेम्प्ट डिस्पोज कर
Item 54.
54 my lord similar.
सेम
54 टा ऑलरेडी कंप्लाई हे जाई
ऑलरेडी कंप्लाई हे गलानी कोचिन ता दे दियंतु The Pondal and council appearing for the contempt not submit there is already complaint. एटा तो तहसीलदार भेडेन करछि
हां सेटा ठीक अछि
ओ आरटा ता
ना
जुरिस्डिक्शन
ना ना कोन तो दोल
हला compliance communication be served on the counsel for the petitioner for there is already compliance this court find there is no cause of action further cause of action surviving to entertain the content application any further.
Item 55.
May please also. Non-compliance of the order dated
Fast contempt.
Fast contempt. Your lordship kindly see the order.
55 रो काय
Relevant person is at
Order
page
किती
11.
अछि?
Page 11, my lord.
Page 11.
My lord.
54
हला इतला तो डायरेक्शन इतला
My lord.
सो फास्ट कंटेम्प्ट रे जाऊ
My lord.
there is some development my lord. Your lordship may kindly see there is some development.
ମୁଁ କଲେକ୍ଟରଙ୍କୁ କହିଥିଲି ତହସିଲଦାରକୁ ଇନଭଲ୍ଭ କରି କରିବେ ବୋଲି କଣ ହେଇଛି ଦେଖ ସେଟା ଆର କେସର ହେଲାଣି ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଟିକେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
In spite of a repeated approach, they are not paying.
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଲିଜ ମିସ୍ କେସ୍ ଅଲରେଡି ଇନିସିଏଟ କରିସାରିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ କପିଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ କପିଟେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଅଛି ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କ
ମିଷ୍ଟର ପଣ୍ଡା ଏଟାକୁ ଆଉ 2-3 ସପ୍ତାହ ରଖି ଦଉଛି ହେଲା place this matter 2 weeks after in the meantime further development if any
rather your lordship may target the
लीज मिस केस टारगेट कर दो
टारगेट कर दो 2 मास की 3 मास भीतर साथ दो
देखियो मु करूची टारगेट भी कर दउची हला 3 weeks after date करो in the meantime let there be attempt to dispose of the de-reservation case 19/23 at least within a period of 2 weeks and inform this court the development on the next date by way of affidavit
A date may be fixed.
एटा कर दियंतु मो जिबा भितरे
A date may be fixed.
जान
Date may be fixed.
Date 3 weeks after दिया
Copy
दिया
था। Item 56.
56 first contempt. my lord. There was a judgment and.
Last contempt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Pass over item 14.
मिस्टर बोस को फाइल टा नहीं पढ़ेला ही
Item
केते सीरियल टा देखिबो एट थिला 51 ना कोन 50 एट थिबो बोधे देखि यस मिस्टर मिश्रा
मतलब
ओइ द इलेक्शन मैटर मते भल लागुनी मु आई मीन सिवियर कोल्ड मंडे करिवा मंडे कर दियो Monday in the admission after notice.
Monday nali Tuesday रखन better हबो.
Tuesday.
Tuesday हेले better हबो सुनी.
interim order ଅଛି to
Tuesday.
interim order to continue.
Oh, sorry, Tuesday I'm not coming. Wednesday. Sir.
Wednesday.
Monday, Tuesday I'm not coming.
नहीं Monday असुविधा हबो कि Monday.
Interim order to continue.
Monday रखिले असुविधा. Monday रे रहउनाती.
हाँ.
Monday रहउनाती.
Monday night, Tuesday night. Monday mo official busy रही outside. Tuesday I'm taking off. I'll be on road.
On Wednesday.
Wednesday. काम करियो सुनो किसी हियरिंग मैटर रहउछ ना कोर्ट मास्टर तेणु एथु जोड़े 3टा मैटर से दिन दब हियरिंग एंड दैट डे फ्रेश एडमिशन रखी दब 35 भितर कमे दब सो दैट आई कैन अटेंड टू दिस इलेक्शन मैटर यस मिस्टर बॉस
मतलब interse between the parties there are two civil suits. Interse between the parties मतलब there are two civil suits pending. Both the parties approach the claim commission for apportionment of the share. Both the parties approach the claim commission for apportionment of share by filing different claim cases. In one set of claim cases, the claim commission said that suit is pending, so disbursement should abide by the result of the suit. In one case, he stopped disbursement of the land, but directed disbursement of the compensation of the house. That is under challenge before your lordship. He cannot pass two orders because interse parties have approached claim commission and while order, my lord, under annexure.
But the second order is to the benefit.
Say
first order becomes innocuous.
First order is of 2020 when it said that it will abide by the result of the suit. That property is involved in both the parties. Both the parties are claiming partition over the same. And a ghoro tonkata deidele purata tanko opposite party ku. And what will I realize? That is the dispute. Se jodi 50-50 karthante, yes, my lord. Kintu 50-50 kari paribeni kahi aro order ta is steering which is not challenged.
The question of admission. It's in short returnable date. But that appears there is delay. Annexure 1 was passed in.
No, Annexure 1 was passed.
Okay, the consequential notice was in 23.
Yes.
Okay, miscase requisite karibe. Miscase karto there shall be stay. There shall be.
Malad in miscase I have stay of notices dated 15.
No working out of the order at Annexure 1 as well as Annexure 5.
Say plot number khata number ta tiye kardele se out disburse ta karibeni
involving
malad
what detail code they
detail miscase re deiche stay of the notices dated 15/5/23 numbers 761B and 751 and khata number
all right I'm dekhi kar yes
my me pardon me item 34 34 मोर देहटे भल नाही बोली मु कोर्ट को जाई परले
कोर्ट को आसी
ना मु कोर्ट को जाई नै
ना चॉकलेट सर जाई छी
पाद टिके मछी होई छी बोली से कोर्ट को जाई पर
नाम करिया dismiss ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଶୁକ୍ରବାର ଆସିବ
ଆସନ୍ତା ବୁଧବାରକୁ ନହେଲେ କହୁଛି ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମଡେଲ ଅଛି
ଶୁକ୍ରବାର ଦିନ ଆସିବ non appears dismiss is 34 all right Friday ଆସିବ
oblige
57
My lord, 57, there are two interim applications. One is 9026 for substitution of the opposite party.
Substitution ଅଛି ପରା
Substitution for the opposite party number 5. And my lord, 9027 for extension of interim order. Your lordship may kindly see the interim order passed in the writ petition was absolute miscase disposed of. The 9027 your lordship may take up. The authorities issue notice and your lordship will see order dated 17/3/23. Keeping the honorable apex court judgment in view, they vacate the interim order and direct that I'll proceed.
Okay, extension of interim order haba and substitution ne notice ni honta
I notice nahi.
na gote dita miscase ଅଛି dita miscase ଅଛି miscase for substitution and notice on the last the requisites as undertaken by Friday. Matter be played after service of notice. Aro miscase karibo. For the pendants of the root in this writ petitions, in the interest of justice, there should be allowing of the continuance of the, there should be continuance of the interim order dated 20th 12 to 13. Interim order hereby, interim order dated so and so hereby extended till disposal of the writ application.
Gratefully. My lord, in that substitution, if your lordship may, in the substitution, if your lordship may permit, should I take on the writ also, writ and substitution, so that it will be complete at a stretch?
Along with copy of writ kar diyo.
Yes, grateful.
Yes, 58.
My lord, in this case, your lordship had, you see, member lordship had set aside that lookout corner notice. The lordship kindly see page 24 of the judgment. I only seek modification of only one condition.
May I pray, my lord, this we have received the copy, in fact, before the vacation. We have sought for instruction also. My learned senior has annexed some documents to some other persons. Those have get the benefit, the similar putting he has or not after against. No. I want some time.
Next Wednesday. Next Wednesday on the request of the senior DSG.
DSG.
Interim order ଅଛି ତ already.
No, interim order
disposal case.
Then condition modification ପାଇଁ କହିଛି.
Asu next Wednesday.
Mr. Probable person of where is appearing with me, lord.
Take instruction on the miscellaneous application filed here. Yeah.
PP where is appearing with me, sir. PP where is appearing along with me.
Mr. Along with PP where.
Oblige.
ସେ ତ argue କରିଥିଲେ ସେ case.
Yes, he is arguing.
Item 59.
May please your lordships.
59 ରେ କଣ interim order expire କରି ଯାଇଛି?
Extension lordship. This matter was supposed to be listed in January.
Application stand allow. Interim application. Kind till next date ତ ହେଇଥିଲା?
No, yes, lordship will see the first paragraph 2. So January it was supposed to be listed. I filed series of memo. It could not be. Say setaku ye korchundi. The cancellation of provisional allotment. Since it was cancellation of provisional allotment, the matter your lordship had fixed to January could not be listed. I tried also. So say tapare au se kochundi je.
ହେଇଥିଲା January 23. Automatically expire କରି ଯାଇଛି. All right, ହେଲା. For the pendants of the writ application, the interim order dated 16/12/22 should be allowed to continue. which is allowed to continue till disposal of the writ application. Counsel file helani?
ready file karibu. Au gotte sapta type de dram file.
Liberty granted to the counsel for both sides to pursue for expedite hearing after the filing of the counsel.
Your Lordship may kindly fix a date. The provisional allotment has been cancelled.
ମୁଁ ହାତ ସଫା କରିସାରିଲିଣି. Hardly few days left.
No,
I can't enter into so many final hearings.
Lordships may not just fix a date. That day your Lordship may not take up. That's a different issue.
You don't mind any date fix?
No, not. Your Lordship, somewhere in 2 weeks at least.
16th August working day achi. 16th August. Yes, 16th August. 16th August.
Your Lordship, in July.
How? Yes.
Then your Lordship.
Then I will be reducing my work then. Therefore, whatever case will come, I will dispose. Don't worry.
For admission item 60.
60 my lord.
60 ru ye rahila.
60 my lord. Yesterday was listed my lord.
Wednesday.
Yesterday was listed and I prayed for next week. But today
ସବୁ ରହିଲା next Wednesday ଆସିବ. Mr. Gopinath Mishra ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବି election case.
next week.
auction.
That
that
bond matter that physical
Wednesday ଆସିବ.
ଏଟା auction ବି ହେଇଯାଇଛି. Auction ବି ହେଇଯାଇଛି report we have received.
ଟଙ୍କା deposit ହେଇଯାଇଛି.
63 ଟା ବି Wednesday
interim order କୋଉଥିରେ ଥିଲେ continue କରିଦବା ନା. ये last matter ଟା କଣ 64 Mr. Mahapatra.
64 my lord, on behalf of Mr. H.N. Mahapatra. On behalf of Mr. H.N. Mahapatra, 64 item. My lord,
Adjournment.
next week, yes, my lord.
Okay, all right.
Interim
Next
order
Wednesday
Interim order.
63 my lord.
ଯୋଉଠି interim order ଅଛି continue କରିବି.
63 my lord next Wednesday because 63 my next Wednesday. Wednesday my lord 63.
ସବୁଡା Wednesday ଆସିବ.
अच्छा.